Hey, it's Tyler with Lowbrow Customs here at the Tri-C Advanced Technology Training Center in Cleveland, Ohio. Tri-C is also known as Cuyahoga Community College. We support it, and I want to tell you how and why. I view lowbrow success to be from hard work, not from luck. Putting in the effort is what got the results, and it's something to be proud in. I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it for my employees, and you can be proud of it too. It's a great way to put in your time and effort and be able to support yourself, support a family, and really do the things you enjoy in life. When I work with different vendors, with Lowbrow, we're doing product development and manufacturing. There's people I really like to work with. People come to mind like Colony Machine, Gas Box, Cycle Electric. They're people who have the same sort of work ethic and attention to detail that we have, and it's enjoyable. It's extremely fulfilling to work with like-minded people and people who take real pride in their work and in the end product. What we want to do is help foster that, and maybe it's a little selfish. It helps people here in Northeast Ohio and elsewhere, but it also helps us because students who come to Tri-C and learn manufacturing technologies, from CAD drawing to construction engineering to machining, those are people that ideally and hopefully I get to work with in the future, like in the near future. Lowbrow decided to support Tri-C with 2 annual scholarships of $2,500 each for the manufacturing trades. It helps potentially create new companies for me to deal with, or employees for companies I already deal with or ones I don't yet deal with, because a lot of times these skilled trades are in demand, and it's just sorely lacking people who are really focused and driven and want to learn and really want to focus on their craft and have pride in what they do. Not only does our scholarship for Tri-C help Northeastern Ohio, it helps the economy here, it helps local businesses all over the Midwest. It gives us more resources for American-made products. And that is a source of pride to me and something I feel very deeply in, that we have the people, we have the infrastructure, we have the equipment, we have everything we need right here to do all of this manufacturing. All we need is people to spend 10 to 18 weeks here at Tri-C, and they can end up having finished their training and be in a new job, a career, more than a job. And that's the reason we decided to support Tri-C. We believe in U.S. manufacturing. We believe in Tri-C, which is why we chose to support them, the largest public college in Ohio. And hopefully one of those people can be you.